Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard loops full guide. Start by picking a steady tempo and a clear loop length, then record short phrases and trim precisely. Use subtle fades and crossfades to eliminate clicks, and edit transient spikes to keep energy consistent. Layer complementary sounds and pan tastes to create width. Finally, check loop alignment against the grid and audition in context to ensure it grooves with the track. Choose sounds that sit cleanly together and serve the loop's role. Start with a strong rhythmic element, then add complementary tones that fill low, mid, and high ranges without clashing. Sculpt each sound with EQ and gentle compression to make space, and consider tasteful saturation for grit. Swap elements quickly to test combinations, and trust your ears over visuals to find the most hypnotic and hard-hitting loop for the track. Structure loops with movement so they never feel static or repetitive. Plan subtle variations every 8 to 16 bars, like filter sweeps or reverb throws, and automate volume or effect sends to create tension and release. Use short fills or stutters to punctuate changes, and layer transient hits for stronger impact. Keep arrangements simple enough to groove, but varied enough to surprise the listener and sustain energy through the whole track.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.